Hey guys, and today I have another Banggood squishy package for you guys, and this is probably like my 5th package from them, I don't know, but they sell super cheap squishies and I'll leave all their links in the description box. Chunky cat squishy. It has a super adorable packaging and it's really slow rising, as you can see. This has a really sweet candy smell to it, and it is licensed by Chummy Pie. Next up is this slow rising cream puff. Here's the back. So it's not like super slow rising, but it is really realistic and very cute. Then I got this Gudetama egg squishy. This isn't really a squishy, but it's like those stretchy toys, so it's stretchable and it feels like some sort of mochi kind of like feeling. It's very airy, but there's like some sort of slime or dough inside. It also has Gudetama at the top. And finally, for my Banggood package, I got this another cat squishy. There's a chubby cat and a very skinny looking cat. This is one of the cutest packagings I've ever seen. Look how cute these characters are. This one is by the brand Vlampo. It has the same exact scent and texture as this chubby cat right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure to go check out Banggood as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!